Welcome, Panda-Frog. Today I like to pick this cross lock or delta lock, I don't know what the exact name is. I got this one from the Irish lock picker, and I will not pick it the regular rig. So you could pick it, but it takes a lot of time. So what we do is we will rake it. So this one works perfectly. And what I got here are these Gozo tools. Alright. So they are for raking the crosslock. And how you choose is pretty easy. You put in the prong. This doesn't fit. This doesn't fit, as you can see. So we can probably use the third one. This is pretty small, and yeah, you can see this works. So for tensioning, these prongs are pretty light, so they can break off really quickly. So what you can do, you go in the lock, and then you can unscrew this one until you hit the lock body. As you can see, like this, and then you go a little further, and then you got a pretty good tensioning. So you're gonna use light tensioning and put in this little reiki thingy. If you're not sure, you can already put this one in the lock like this and then tension it, of course. And very light tension, and should come open pretty easy, and then you just go in and out, and we're already open. And now we're not completely back. Because we need to do it a couple of times to go back to the first position. Yes. You can see, pretty easy, pretty fun to pick like this. I mean, it is just easy. Slide in and out, and you're golden. And we're already open. So I'm gonna leave it in the open state, and I got it now. I haven't got it yet, I have no clue. I'm gonna probably use a couple of the pinning mats. Let me lock it again and use the key. So let's see what we can do here. I guess I should shim it. Do I have a... Guess I do. This looks too big. This half. I guess it would be very interesting to cut this one. So let's try to shim. Let's see, there, and there. And should shim 4 positions. How do I even have 4 shims? Yeah, I do. So that would be the shimming positions. But I cannot get in there, looks like. No. Do I have... Looks too big. Maybe now I can get in here. No, I really cannot get in. Maybe there. Okay, that's 1. 2. Let's try to shim as much as possible. I hope I got everything. And now I need a tensioning. No, a follower that might fit. That's too big. I don't have a follower. I believe that will work for this one. Nope. So we need a smaller. We need to take the smaller one, and hope we'll stay lucky. So how do I make sure I will not? Okay, that works. Okay, so this is the up position. The little knot here. You can see it. And I will block everything, I believe. But already lost a pin there. No, I did not lose it. But already 2. So that pin is not the problem, I believe. So this would be row 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have, let me see if I have one of the bigger trays already here. Usable. Let me get this stuff out of the way, please. So you can see the raking is perfect, it works great. Just great. Alrighty, let's take this one. So, and I need tweezers, of course. Tweezers are always good to have. And I have them. The question is, where do I have them? There are some tweezers. There, yeah, right in front of me, of course. So this would be then, this is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. So now I need to find a location, so let's do it 1, 2, 3 and 4 down here. I can do it like this. It's only 3 pins, I believe. No. Like this. 1, 2. So let's go to chamber 1 and let's finish this one first. What is that? Is not a pin. That is very strange. So this is chamber 1. Row 1, chamber 1 and 2, and 3 is nothing. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's not there. There it is. This is 2, 1, 2, 2. Then we go to chamber row 2. 3. This is 3, 2, 3, 3. And then we have row 4, 1 pin. It's pretty odd. So let's see if we can find more. No, that's it. Okay, I screwed it up, I believe. There are springs and spools and... But I know this is chamber 1. And this is a very odd. This is a very odd one. I will show you in a second. Let me fix it first here. I'm gonna take them out. So this is 2, 2, 1, and this is 4. I already got some springs here, but they don't really matter. Okay, let's go to 3. Okay, next row. It's all the same. They're all the same, I believe. 3, 2. Okay, this one is gone. The spring is gone. Damn it. Now I have a problem. Somewhere is spring, and I will find it. I hope. Otherwise, I will put in a different one. I don't care. Okay. This is 3, 2. So yeah, they are all the same. I'm just gonna remove them and put them in here. They look like nice dry spools, but they are not spools. One more spring, one more spring. Do I have enough pins? Yes. There's another spring. There's a lot of scrap metal, so you see the quality is not that good of this lock. See all this shearing here? So actually we got 2, 4, 6, 9 pins in here. And these 9 pins, there's one missing. Alright, the 9 pins are regular standard pins. And then we have the drivers. The drivers are spool-like pins, but they are not really spools. They just look like a spool. It's like a try to make a spool. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 springs. So I'm missing one spring, but yeah, anyways. I will try to get it back together. I don't know if I can. I hope so. But this will be a nice project, and I need one more spring. So this was... It jumped somewhere as a spring. I will find it. I have too much stuff on my desk right now. Maybe I find a spare spring. But we will find a solution to fix this lock up and get it back in working order. So this was a delta lock. It's a cross lock rigged with this Chinese tool. Little explanation to the Chinese tool. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.